So, what does the final neuron actually have? So, it's um it's still a pattern, but it's not the way we look that holds the images or the like a template of object like a dog or a collection of dog examples. It's not that. It's you could think of it as a preference profile over the features. Um, it holds a lot of patterns that define the the objects that it's trying to predict. It it is a pattern over features in abstract sense. So, like for example, in the previous hidden layer, imagine we are in the final output layer. Once it detects like so, this is a fur texture. So it adds up to positive weights, and then it detects another learned features like, oh, this is ear of the dog, this ear shapes. So it will adds up to another positive contribution, and like if it's detect unusual like, oh, this is a wolf, like it's a form of a wolf, so it adds up to negative. So it's a weighted combination of features that tends to appear in dogs, like the eyes of the dogs, the shapes, the shape of the ears that it was trained on. So the neuron does not check does this exactly match a dog, but instead it checks like how much does this looks like a features associated like a dog's. How much is associated with the dogs? Does this one has a patterns of the dog that I've trained on or that I have learned on. So um, think of it. It's the neuron that defines a direction in a feature space that corresponds to dog. Like if it is has a four, then it's a large positive contribution, adds a positive, and if has not, it will has another positive contribution, and if this has the ears of like a dog, like adds up to positive contribution. Like, but if it is wolf-like structure, it will adds up a negative value. So the more it has positive contribution, the more uh, strongly activated. The more strongly activated, it will high score. And if it is having a high scores, then this neuron of a dog will light up. Then if it is largely enough among the other classified animals, then this one is a dog. If total score is high among all the others classification in the output layer, then this one is a dog. So the final layer, neuron, does have learned pattern, but it is not a visual or stored pattern. It is a set of weights that defines how combine features into a dog score. If the input features align well with the learned combination, the neuron activates and predicts dog.